Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I am literally very sorry. Please pardon just because I am making this video after a long time. Actually, I was stuck in some of my academic semesters and so on, so I can't be able to make the videos. So therefore, I am making this video just to say you sorry, and then after that I will start my topic. This video or this topic which I have bought today is a requested topic. I was got 2 messages on my Instagram to make the video on the topic of the management information system. I have bought this topic, and you are also free to tell me that what topic you want me to discuss over here. You can message me on Instagram or you can message me in the comment section below. I will tell you my Instagram ID in the description link, so you can go and check it out over there and tell me what type of topic you want. So I am free to discuss here. Okay, so first of all, stay safe and stay healthy during this pandemic. This pandemic is going to be very dangerous and serious up till now. So hope, cross fingers, hope for the good. Okay, so I have bought this topic, that is management information system. Firstly, let me tell you that the topics which I am making, the skillful topics which I am making, is generally refer for the BBA student, for the BBS student, for the BCom student, and for the MBA as well. So this MIS topic which I am taking today is generally taught in the BBA also and in the MBA session also. So let's get started. Okay, so before telling much about the MIS, I have to make it divide so that you can get the clear view of MIS. So firstly, I will tell you about the information system. Then in my next video, which I definitely going to be upload tomorrow, is about the management information system in detail, its role, its process, and everything. Okay, so let me tell you what is MIS. Actually, management information system is a system which creates technical tools for the business value, or you can say that it provides an informative, effective information for the decision making in the organization. Actually, MIS is not a new term. It's this topic is this point MIS is also used in earlier, but now due to the development of the computerization and so much of technology, this MIS is brought in a broader way. So MIS is simply information which is used for the effective decision making process in the organization. In simple term, it is used to develop and provide or satisfy the needs of the organization regarding the decision making process. If I talk in a simple words, then MIS is a tool that is used to create in the business value. This is a MIS. So why the professionals do study MIS? What does the professionals do? By the help of MIS, the professional simply bridges the gap between the business and the technical tools. That is the work of all the professionals for which they used to study MIS, that is management information system. Here the points come that what is information system. Actually, information system is the interrelated components which is used to divide, to process, to store, and to distribute the effective decision making in the organization. There is a various process used in the information system like input, process, and output. These three processes are covered by the word feedback. Now let me tell you how information should be clear. That what are the things or what are the features that make the information to be good, to be understandable. So first, information should be understandable. It could be easily understood by anyone. It don't mess up the mind, no, that the people gets confused at how or what are they talking about. Secondly, it should be relevant. In relevant terms, it means that it should be relevant, it should be meaningful, it should have some meaning. Thirdly, it should be prescribed. It's not too lengthy, it's up to the point, or it should include the things which could easily create in our mind, so that we create the picture that how this point is telling about this. Fourthly, it should be cost effective. And the last thing, it should be timely. Actually, time in the organizations matters a lot. So all the information which we gather for our business purpose, for the decision making, it should be in time. Because after the decision making, if we have made the decision and we haven't got the relevant information, then there is no use of decision. And after taking the decision, we have got the information, then there is no use of information because it is not up to the time. So information system also includes two things, that is information system challenges and information system opportunities as well. Here I will tell you about the information system challenges and opportunities both. So if I talk about the information system opportunities, then there is a lot of opportunities, like it improve the decision making, it increase the workers productivity, it increase or enhance the team collaboration, it makes the rapidly changes in the technology, it makes the quality of goods and services improved. And if I just talk about the challenges, then the changes in technology are the opportunities also, and also about the challenges also, because when this technology is changing so rapidly, it is very difficult for the laborers or for the working foremen or for any of the organization to make update according to the technologies. It mistrusts the employees also. It is also the challenge of the information system. It makes the breaches, it makes the information overloaded, and lastly, it makes the employees to create a conflict among them. It also makes the workforce downsizing. So this is the short description about the management information system. That is, I have just taken the information system, and tomorrow the topic which I will going to upload is about the management information system in a detail. So if you don't subscribe my channel yet, then don't forget to subscribe, because I will bring more skillful topics for you all. And tomorrow's session will be of it's of nice topic, management information system. So I will discuss in detail of the topic with you all. And if you want any of the topic, then I am free to share over here, just tell me. And okay, so let's end the session and let's end the video today. And the video is about this only. If you create this information system in a clear mind, then it would be able to relate which the topic I will watch tomorrow, that is management information system, more clearly. So stay tuned with my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, see you tomorrow.